Direct view LED is the largest growing segment in digital signage. A technology that was once perceived as a vehicle for stadiums and large venues is now part of our everyday business applications. Several aspects go into choosing the proper LED display for your needs. We are going to dive in and give an overview of the important aspects of direct view LED displays so you can educate yourself on the technology before making your investment. Let's dive into pixel pitch and the makeup of this technology. LED stands for light emitting diode. LED screens are made up of different modules. Each module is made up of several pixels, depending on the size of the module. Pixels usually consist of 3 internal LED lamps, a red, a green, and a blue, which are capable of displaying trillions of colors. This is commonly referred to as an RGB LED. Pixels are measured by pixel pitch. Pixel pitch is measured in millimeters and measured from the center of one pixel to the center of the next. The lower the pixel pitch, the higher the resolution and image quality, as well as the closer the optimal viewing distance. Here is a helpful rule of thumb for finding the proper pixel pitch for your space. Think of 1 millimeter of pixel pitch per 5 feet of viewing distance. Consider what your intended use is so you can find the right unit for your needs. If you are displaying content in your office lobby or retail space, there will be a lower pixel pitch needed compared to a large concert venue or stadium, for example. LED displays are known for their thin design, providing a sleek and versatile application. They are also extremely easy to daisy chain together and expand upon for larger display needs. Next, let's dive into the stellar brightness and striking image quality of LED displays. Nits refer to the brightness of an LED screen. Nits are used to measure the light intensity of your sign and how bright it appears to the human eye. 1 nit is equivalent to 1 candela per square meter. A candela is a unit of luminous intensity. The higher the number of nits, the brighter the screen will appear. Did you know LED displays are a better choice for the environment too? LED lighting has a longer lifespan and overall more eco-friendly qualities. LEDs use the exact amount of power needed for each pixel, lowering the overall power consumption and heat output of the unit, and in return, lowering your utility bills. LED units also allow for efficiency and ease of repairs by replacing individual modules or bulbs as needed, hence expanding the lifespan of your display and allowing you to get great use out of it for many years to come. Lastly, you want to really consider your environment and how you will be using your LED display. In a retail setting, for example, will you have your display on the retail floor or displayed within a window for passerbys to see? A unit used by a checkout counter will have a different need than a unit used in your storefront window, as brightness and sunlight will play a role in the number of nits needed to best showcase your message in a clear and legible way. If you have additional questions or would like to explore Displays2go's LED product offerings, our dedicated digital representative is happy to connect and discuss more.